So I went on a little archaeological dig today, playing a little Indiana Jones. So this quarter panel, driver's side, I don't know how to zoom. Anyway, it's been replaced, but it's only been replaced to right here. Now you can see they did this horrible job. See this gap? I mean, that's terrible. They had a ½ inch of Bondo, and they faded it from this point all the way to here. That's a good, I don't know, ladies, what would you say, 8 inches or whatever. Anyway, but right up through here, they ran it right along this body line, which was really brave. And they actually did a decent job. Of course, they had to fill that up because, you know, you got some holes and stuff from the welding. And then this back here, they had a lot of Bondo, but that's a lot of rust holes, or not rust holes, but, you know, whiskey dents and whatnot. So this section up here is gonna have to be replaced, though, at least along here and down. As you can see, that's just rotten. But I don't know how to flip my camera. So anyway, I don't think I can get just this section. So we're probably going to wind up replacing this whole quarter, because if I order a whole quarter, I'm just going to do the whole thing. There's no sense in trying to stop here and fix this, because that's just dumb. I mean, I get why they did it. You probably had a parts car laying around, but yeah. So that's my update for tonight. I gotta dig into the other side and see what it's like. See if I need a quarter over there. My guess is I do. Yay, the fun of old cars.